To submit your Statement of Intent to Register, or SIR for short, log into the student portal using single sign-on. Next, click on My Admissions. This will take you to the Admissions Application menu screen, where you will find a link that says Review Admissions for Fall Semester 2020. Click the link. You should review the important information and conditions of admissions. You will find this information by clicking where it says Click Here. It will open a separate window for you to read about the conditions. When you are ready, return to the first browser window to submit your SIR. You should see a date and time indicating your deadline to submit your SIR. Once you decide to accept the admission offer from the University of California, Merced, make sure you submit your Statement of Intent to Register by that date and time. If you're ready to submit your SIR, click SIR Now. You may be prompted to pay your SIR deposit. Your SIR is incomplete without the payment. If you are eligible for the SIR payment to be deferred, that information will come up on the screen. If you have trouble with your submission or have any questions about the process, contact the Students First Center or email the admissions office.